Hey, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You guys see the title? I have the Tesla Model S Plaid. My neighbor just got it and I asked if I could do a review on it. He was like, yeah, sure, come pick it up. Man, I am excited. This is a really good opportunity, guys. My first time in a Tesla, and it's also the fastest Tesla ever built. What?
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out below. Keep it a buck, I don't always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice to the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
If y'all don't know what this Tesla is, this is the new Tesla Model S Plaid. 0 to 60, 1.9 seconds. 60 to 130, 4.7 seconds. Quarter mile, 9.2. This thing is insane. Man, he just got it PPF coated too on there. So everything is protected. Everything looks good. I'm gonna show y'all the exterior and then we're gonna jump right in. I know what y'all here for. You wanna see this thing on the street. How fast is it? What's the hype all about? So stay tuned. The video is about to get better. Let's go. All right, y'all, here it is. This is the midnight silver metallic color. This thing looks pretty good. And he also got a PPF coat on it. You know, protect the paint. So he got the whole car coated. Also some protective film on the windshield and the rest of the windows. And then he just got the brake calipers painted red too. So on the rear and on the front. All right. So look at this thing from the front. This thing is aggressive. Y'all see that? So if y'all new to the channel, this is my 2019 Mustang GT. It's a full bolt-on E85 car. This thing runs the quarter mile in 10.7, and this thing runs the quarter mile in 9.2. So big difference. I can do 0 to 60 in 2.9. This one can do it in 1.9. So this thing is crazy. And look at the spoiler right there. Man, this thing looks good. Hey, enough talking. I know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see the interior. So this is how you open it. You put the key right there. The handles, everything comes out. So this has the new steering wheel design. They call it the yoke. Y'all see that? At first I was like, this might take some getting used to, you know, to drive it. But I get used to stuff really quick, so I already learned how to use that. So let me close this door so we can get this AC. It's hot in here. I'm in Houston, Texas, and it's really hot. So to turn this thing on, guys, like it says, press the brake. You choose the direction, right? So forward. Yeah, now I can let off the brake. You're still not moving, so that's the thing about the Teslas, right? It's still not moving. It'll only move when I hit the gas, so it kind of like holds. It's pretty cool. So that's the AC right there. You see, like I can change the direction. So right now, let me put it right there on my face. You know what I mean? And then the speed, much better right there. So this infotainment still has some getting used to, but you know, I'm a tech guy, so I'll be good. So this is how you do your turn signals, left, right, your lights, and this is the horn. Can you believe that? It's not here, it's a button. So that's good. It's gonna take some road rage out of the equation. This does have the full self-driving, so we're gonna see how to use that. But anyway, man, so yeah, look at that sunroof. It's the whole thing all the way to the back. Of course, we got the radar right there, the Uniden. That thing is nice. But yeah, nice seats, guys. If you guys are into the seats, it is a expensive car, so you know the interior has to look, you know, match the price. But to be honest, I don't care how this interior would look like. Just the performance itself is worth it for this car. You know what I mean? So without further ado, I'm waiting for my brother. My brother loves Teslas. I'm waiting for him to come out. We're gonna go take it for a drive. Also, just in case the screen does go out in the future, you know, you can always use these right here. Park, reverse, your hazards, neutral, and drive. You know what I mean? So let me open this door for him. Man, are you guys ready? I'm about to leave the driveway right now. I'm gonna say goodbye to the Mustang. Take this thing out on the street. I'll review my first time driving an electric car. At that, the fastest electric car ever. All in the same day. Man, I'm blessed. I'm thankful to my friend. His name is Mark, for giving me this opportunity to come and take a look at this thing. Without further ado, Renee's gonna hold the camera. That's my brother. And let's see. You ready? You saw how I went drive?
Yeah.
You put your foot on the brake, forward and backward. Like how it should be, bro. The steering wheel, like I told him, is different.
Yeah. That's
yeah.
weird.
And with the Teslas, as soon as you let go of the gas, look, it already brakes for you. And this is how you signal right here.
Okay, bro. What? Oh my.
Yeah. Are you, bro? Don't pass out, bro. Okay?
I'm not gonna pass out.
Don't pass out, bro. Of course, we're gonna go to Mexico, you know. So yeah, about to see how this thing is about to go down. You ready?
Yeah.
Yo!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, bro! If that don't feel like the roller coasters, I don't know what does, bro. Oh, you know what? I didn't adjust my mirrors and stuff.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah. I forgot one thing, bro. I'm excited.
Stuff.
In the heat of the
need this. Wait down on the
I
camera.
know. In the heat of the moment, you kind of try to mess with
Look at
that.
that.
Yo,
Look at that.
show them that, bro. You ready?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yo, and you know what's the best part, bro?
Huh.
It's silent.
Yeah.
Nobody knows you. Nobody knows you're going fast.
Yeah.
Nobody needs to know none of that. I'm the one having fun, and I'm the one that can feel the fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That I like that. I like that, bro.
You don't even hear
In the Mustang, if I do that, right? I'm like, damn. A police is gonna hear me. Damn, I'm gonna get arrested. You know?
Yeah.
In this, I'm like, you know, I'm just having fun, bro. You know?
Yeah.
I'm not bothering nobody, man. Yo, this is nice, bro. I'm gonna show them this, bro.
But you finna come back next year with a Tesla.
Yo, y'all see this? Hey, if y'all see me trading the Mustang, bro, y'all already know what I'm about to get, bro. I'm not lying. Look at this. All right, y'all, we're about to do a pull right now. I'm slowing down traffic on purpose. We're about to do from 60. 1, 2, 3. Yo!
Oh my god, that car that was behind us is gone.
What?
Bro, I was just looking at the car behind us, dude.
Yeah.
It disappeared, bro. Oh my god.
Okay, we're about to do another one. Alright, y'all, about to do another one. I'm about to do one for 50. Yeah, ready?
Go, go, go.
1,
It's catching up.
2, 3. Yo!
Oh my god. Bro, what did it get to? What did it get to? That is crazy.
Yo! You saw that?
Yeah.
Bro! Bro, you forget to breathe, bro. I swear. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
I see your face, bro. You good? Are you sure, man?
I'm good.
Preparing for launch. Hey! Suspension entering shooter mode. Ooh! Yo!
Oh my god.
Yo! We did it! We did it!
Every car just disappeared from behind.
Yo!
That's so crazy.
Yo! We got full autopilot in this boy! Yo! I'm dead. Can I give you more gas? Yeah, I can. Auto steer speed restricted to, okay, it's restricted to 5 over.
Yeah.
Speed limit.
Yeah.
It's going to stop? Yeah! You recording, bro?
No way.
Yo, y'all see this autopilot, bro? We're in full autopilot right now. Look, it stopped for traffic. Okay, accelerate to continue, okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, so push the gas a little bit and
Yeah.
then you can let go. And then
So,
it's gonna...
so unless it makes a fault, you know, you can just start.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, that's like.
Okay. Okay, look.
This is what you buy it for.
I know I said, you know, it's for the performance, right? But I can text right now? What? All right. Oh,
What?
I don't stay unavailable for the rest of this drive. Why? Why did you do that?
Oh, I think it's too.
Oh, it is. No?
It is too. Yeah.
No. Hold steering wheel while in autopilot. Oh, okay. All right, y'all, that was it for today's video. Y'all saw that? This thing is a crazy, man. That launch mode, we put it in drag strip mode. Yo, I like, you forget to breathe, you know, you gotta remember you gotta breathe. This thing literally takes your breath away, man. This thing is insane, and I just love it. It's so silent. Like, I'm so used to like all the loud noise when I'm going fast, and sometimes I don't wanna go fast because the car is too loud. On this one, I can go fast whenever I want. I mean, I'm not gonna attract too much attention. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Right now, I wanna go see if I can take my dad or something on a drive. You know, just, you know, since I still have the car, my friend said I can have it however long I want, as long as I'm done making my videos. But man, let me show you guys this thing on the exterior one more time. Alright, y'all, that was it for today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you go to tedlike.com, buy some merch, support the channel. Y'all want to see the car getting faster, even possibly getting a faster car. So who knows? Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.